Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the default email account from Outlook, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. This will load in all your emails and ensure you're working with the correct account settings. Just give it a moment to fully load your inbox before proceeding to the next step. Once your email has loaded completely, it's time to access the control panel where Outlook's account settings are managed. To do this, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Control Panel. Then hit Enter to open it. This will launch the Control Panel window where you can manage various system settings. After the Control Panel window appears, look for the Mail option. This should be set to Outlook by default and is where all your email configuration settings are stored. Click on this Mail option to proceed. This action will open a new window called Mail Setup, which gives you access to your email account configurations. In the Mail Setup window, you'll see several options for managing your Outlook settings. Click on the Email Accounts button to continue. This is the key feature that lets you view and modify all the email accounts currently configured in Outlook. It's important to use this option rather than trying to remove accounts directly from within the Outlook app itself. Once you click Email Accounts, a new window labeled Account Settings will appear. This window displays all the email accounts you have set up in Outlook. Now look carefully at the list of email accounts and find the one that has a check mark next to its email address. This check mark indicates that it's currently set as your default email account, meaning all outgoing emails will be sent from this address by default. Click on the email account with the check mark to select it. Once selected, you'll notice a Remove option appears at the top part of this window. Simply click on the Remove button and Outlook will delete this default email account from your configuration. This removes it from Outlook entirely, so make sure this is the account you want to remove before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully removed the default email account from Outlook, giving you the freedom to set a different account as your primary or simply work with the remaining accounts you have configured. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.